Hey foodies, welcome back to Prajwalita's kitchen. Our today's menu is a restaurant style, creamy, soft, healthy palak paneer. So let's start. First of all, let's cook a palak in a warm water for 5 to 6 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and after 5 minutes remove it from the water and let it cool. Till we will make the masala. For that, heat a griddle on a medium flame and add 1 tablespoon of oil. When heated, add some spices like 2 to 3 green cardamom, 1 bay leaf, 1 black pepper, 2 to 3 cloves, 2 to 3 black pepper. Roast it till the nice aroma releases from the spices. Now add 2 chopped medium-sized onion, followed by 4 to 5 cashews, 5 to 6 garlic cloves, 2-inch ginger, and cook it till the raw flavors get removed from it. Now add 2 chopped tomatoes, handful of coriander, and add half teaspoon of salt. Now simmer it for 3 to 4 minutes till the tomato get mashy completely. And our masala is ready for the blending. Before that, let it cool down completely and then add it into the blender. And then add it into the blender jar. Also add palak which we have blended already in the jar. Blend it to get a smooth paste. And now our green paste is also ready. Now it's time to make a curry. For that, heat a pan in a medium flame and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin, let them flatter. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala. While adding these spices, the flame must be at low, otherwise these spices may get burned. Now add a green masala paste and give it a nice mix. Continuously mix it for 1 minute. Take little amount of water in a blender jar and add it into the masala. You can adjust the consistency of the gravy by your choice. Here I am making a medium consistency of the gravy. Now again give it a nice mix. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh cream to get that restaurant style creamy flavor. Add a salt to taste, followed by 1 teaspoon of sugar. Remember we have already put a salt while palak, blanch and masala preparation. Again mix it well. And now add about 200 grams of paneer cube. 1 teaspoon of ghee. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. 1 teaspoon of garam masala. And now add about 200 grams of paneer cube. Give it a nice mix and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Do not cover it while cooking, otherwise the fresh green color of the gravy may turn blackish. And here we go, our restaurant style creamy tasty palak paneer is ready to serve. Take it out in a serving bowl and serve hot. Now it's your turn. Give this recipe a try at home and don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy!